cough drops. I don't know what the fuck they're putting in that. Addicting.
You wanna know what I do? This is bad, and don't do this, and I do this though, and it's a problem. It's something that Frankie should stop.
I like this.
I put one in my mouth in the middle of the night, and I just like keep it in my cheek.
Are you fucking insane?
It's bad.
You put a cough drop in your mouth and you let it sit in your gum like a fucking Zyn?
Like it's
And you've never choked on it? You've never choked on one of those before? That's insane.
It's bad. I know it's bad, and I shouldn't do it.
No.
And
Because imagine middle of the night.
well, I have a really good cheek.
People have choked when they're awake.
Yeah.
So you being asleep, you're really rolling that
Just
dice.
so we're clear.
Yeah.
This is stupid. Yeah. I shouldn't do it.
Yes.
But I do. And maybe I'll keep going.
Choking on a cough drop in your sleep is a tough way to go down.
Oh my god, dude, I'd be so fucking pissed off at you.
You'd be mad at me. Like,
Yeah.
This is the clip that'll be used like at my funeral.
Yeah, I'll be over your casket being like, you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah, a little
How
bit.
would you act in that situation? Would you be like, that was stupid?
Frank, I'll tell you something right now. I would get on the show and I would lie about how you died. Because I'm not telling people you went out like that.